Day 4 of building German sentences without memorizing rules. Today we derail the Ticamolo train on purpose to master native emphasis. Yesterday, I gave you the strict Ticamolo train rule. When, why, how, where. It's perfect, it's safe, but if you always speak exactly like that, your German sounds completely robotic. Here is the native secret. Germans put whatever data is most shocking or important in slot 1. If you want to emphasize where you are going, grab the very last car of the train and slam it to the absolute front. Because the verb never leaves slot 2, everything else just adjusts. Mutate your English. To Berlin travel I today. Real German. Nach Berlin fahre ich heute wegen der Arbeit mit dem Zug. Put your highlight in slot 1. Keep the verb in slot 2. Hit follow for day 5, where we finally shatter the handcuffs and move the verb to the front.